What is going on, you guys? Tanner with HyperLite Moto, and today I've got an exciting one for you. We're going to be unboxing, installing, and reviewing the FOCO Racing full exhaust system for the CRF250F. Now, about a year ago, Scott and I, the owner of HyperLite Moto, flew all the way to Brazil to the heart of the CRF250F, and we actually got to ride a bike that had this exhaust on it. The owner of Anchor uses this exhaust on his personal bike, so we each got to experience what this exhaust was like. The bike also had a 310cc big bore kit on it, so super cool machine to ride right in the jungles of Brazil. That video is also coming soon. Stay tuned for that. But Scott and I were both blown away with how good this exhaust system sounded. Some of you probably saw the exhaust video that I did on the Adventure Daily channel, the Belparts system. And while that is a really good quality exhaust, it was unbelievably loud. Even with the spark arrestor insert that I installed, it was still ear-piercing loud for marginal gains. But you do save quite a bit of weight, and it does sound a lot better than stock. And I think that's where this FOCO exhaust is going to bridge the gap. It is significantly cheaper. I think it offers a really good value, especially compared to some of the big name exhaust systems out there. Those are ridiculously expensive. And as you'll see here in a second, these are quality handmade exhaust systems. You're not making any compromise in quality. So I think this is an all-around good balance of price to performance, and it's a modification that you can justify doing. But I'm excited to show you what this looks like, so let's dive in and see what we got. Woo. Man, that looks really good. Love that gray color. First impressions, now that I got this thing up close, wow, what a beautiful exhaust system. And the weight too, super light, yet feels sturdy. Love the polished look of the exhaust tip. The gray too is a really nice touch. You'll notice that black anodizing on exhaust fade pretty quick, so the gray will look nicer for longer. All of the TIG welds look absolutely beautiful. And this little pill-shaped attachment is a resonance chamber, similar to a Mega Bomb style header, that's designed to change the airflow in a way that helps the low to mid-range torque. Just in the past 5 to 10 years, really, you just started seeing these on 4-strokes. Overall, I'm really pleased with how everything looks. This is a 2-piece exhaust system, so the tolerances on the header and muffler are perfect to where this slides right in, and I'm really excited to get this on the bike and see how it sounds. The bike we're going to be installing it on is this 2020 CRF250F. This will fit all years of the 250F from 2019 up. And if you are curious about part fitment with the upcoming 300F, we will have a video about that very soon. 90% of the 250F products are going to fit the new 300F. So I'm gonna get my hands on one very soon, and we'll be doing a full build series. Super excited about that. This is actually our beater 250F. This is a bike that I have friends and family ride. Oh no. This thing's been ridden hard, but that's what these bikes are designed to do. These old Honda trail bikes can take a beating, just change the oil every once in a while, and they will give you years of service and tons of fun. But let's go ahead and get this old system off there and install the FOCO. Oh no, the stud came too. So for proper installation of this rear exhaust hanger, we actually need to remove this rubber bushing. So go ahead and push that center pin out. Then I usually push these through as well, opposed to pulling. And we will be replacing that rubber bushing with these 2 top hat machine metal spacers. You'll just have one on each side there. Perfect fit. And what that does is eliminate any play within the exhaust system. That way you won't wear out the slip joint where the header and the muffler interface. So we'll go ahead and slide this muffler on. Throw these 2 spacers on there. Slide in the included bolt. Thread on the nylock nut on the back. Tighten it down. Throw this side panel on and we are as good as done.
Oh! Good one for the highlight reel. Uh-oh. Finesse. Great parking spot.
Well, after a full day spent with the FOCO F2 racing exhaust, I'm really happy with it. The noise level is perfect. And a good example, there are a few kids today on 450s and 250 race bikes. Which are definitely louder than this. So I feel like this is a happy medium. It's got a really good tone. You're gonna save a lot of weight compared to the stock system. On the website, we also offer a spark arrestor insert and a quiet insert. The spark arrestor makes sense. It's not gonna sound that much different with the spark arrestor, yet you're gonna be Forest Service legal. But I ran this thing wide open all day long here on private property. I just put a smile on my face, bouncing the bike off limiter. Definitely recommend. Adventure Daily approved. All the links will be down in the description box below. Be sure to check this out. Really affordable option for these bikes. It looks good, sounds good. Pretty much ticks all the boxes. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know which parts you'd like to be featured next. And be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'm Tanner with HyperLite Moto. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.